Once there was a man. He was a happy man. He was a very nice guy. And he always used to do only good work. But what was his problem? He was so much affected by the only toxic people. Toxic people, they were around himself. And some of the relatives, they are just like toxic people for him. In his work, he was not able to concentrate in his life. Even though he was having everything, he was having every kind of facility. Only because of these toxic people, he was unhappy. One day, he went to one of his relatives, and there he met an old person, and he was really a gentleman. He told all the problems to that gentle person, to that gentleman, and asked, what should I do? How can I deal with these kind of toxic people? I'm very unhappy. I want to live my life happily. Only because of these toxic people, I'm not able to live my life. I'm not able to concentrate on my work. I'm not able to do any kind of thing that I want. Because every time I think about making them happy. Then the person, the gentleman, the old man, he gave him suggestion. But before giving suggestion, what he did, he asked the man to do a little thing, to do a work or to do a favor for him. And in a favor, he asked only a very little thing. You have to take this glass and first of all, you just fill this glass with water. And what you need to do, you have to just walk around this village. You have to make 3 rounds. You have to do 3 rounds of this village. And please take care. Please be careful. You won't spill even a single drop of water. If you will do that, then I will not let you know the process, how you can deal with these toxic people. Then the person, he said okay, and he started doing. He started walking around the village, and finally he completed the task. He did the same. He hadn't spilled even a single drop of water. And he went to the gentleman and told him happily that, uncle, I did that. The water is the same amount in the glass. I have completed my work. And now you have to tell me. You have to tell me the way in which I can treat with these kind of toxic people. Then the gentleman, he asked some questions. The first one, have you ever listened someone? Have you ever listened any kind of words? Any kind of toxic words? Have you ever met any kind of toxic people? And then he said no. Because I was fully concerned about only this glass and water. So that's why I hadn't focused on anything. Then the man said, only this is your answer. Only this is your answer. You need to do only this thing. If you want to concentrate on your work, then you just concentrate. Why are you listening to those people who always criticize you? Because it's their work. Let them do their work. But what you need to do, you should follow your path. You should work on your thing, what you want to work on. If you really want to do any kind of thing, then you can. You can do with full 100%. What you need to do, you have to just engross yourself only into learning. You have to immerse yourself. What's going on around yourself, don't focus on these kind of things. Don't focus these kind of people. Because these people always going to make you unhappy. Because this is their purpose. They always feel happy by making others unhappy. So what you need to do, you need to focus on yourself. You need to focus on only you. What you want to do and what you have to do. Just do only the good thing. Don't ever try to let any negative thought process in your mind. And then you can see the result. If you follow this thing, then definitely after some time you can see a very great change. You feel happy. You would feel happy after doing these kind of work, because you will definitely achieve, because now after this you will definitely do any kind of work with your 100%. So friends, this is the thing that you need to do if you are dealing with these kind of people. So this is the only way to deal with these kind of toxic people. If you are trying to speak but you are not able to speak only because of your friend, they are mocking at you, they are laughing at your English, they are criticizing you, then let them do. What is their problem? If they want to do anything, then let them do. But what you need to do, you have to focus on your practice, because you know that there is no alternative, there is no substitute of practice. And without hard work, without pain, there is nothing. Definitely you will get some pain, but only after having pain, after some time, then you will gain lot of things and you can see the result. So friends, if you are the person who really dealing with these kind of problem, so from now onwards, I think after watching this video you will get that idea how to deal with these kind of peoples, and definitely one day you can do any kind of thing, because अब से आप इन टॉक्सिक पीपल लोगों पर आप थोड़ा सा भी कंसंट्रेशन नहीं करोगे, उन पर थोड़ा सा भी अपना ध्यान आकर्षित नहीं होने दोगे, क्योंकि आपको अपनी ज़िंदगी में आगे बढ़ना है. इफ़ यू रियली वांट टू अचीव समथिंग, देन यू हैव टू जस्ट डू दिस लिटिल चेंज and you can see the result after some time. And by doing this, you can really make yourself happy and the other one also. And friends, we will meet again in the next video. Till then, bye bye.